In this video, we'll show you how to customize the watch face on your Garmin Vivo Active 3. To get to the menu, all you have to do is tap and hold. And all you need to do now is get into watch face. And you'll notice the green ring. What you can do now is you can select one of the different default watch faces they have available. Like so. And we haven't paired to our smartphone to grab any new ones from the Connect IQ store, and we'll get into the create new one here shortly. But let's say we wanted to select this watch face, for example. We'll tap. Notice here that we can either apply the watch face right now, we can customize or remove. Let's customize. Notice here we got the dial, so we can either swipe, we can access to the data. Notice the green areas are the areas that we can customize. Hands, so for example, if you wanted to change these watch hands, we can tap and then we can swipe. You can see the different styles that we have. Something we like, tap to apply. Let's continue swiping. Have the accent. What's that? Choose the color. Let's do green. And finally we have, once we're done, we can apply the changes. So for example, if we want to change some of the data fields, for example, let's choose the top one. We can choose battery, for example, or we have another type of battery. It's a little bit better. You can change the steps to something like that. And leave that blank, and there. So let's say we're happy with this watch face. We can tap done to apply it. Now we can swipe all the way over to discard any of the changes, but we're going to apply this change. Done. And now this is your new custom watch face. Now if you want to add a brand new one, you can simply go back to watch face, create new, and then from there it's the same process. So you can choose your dial, choose the data, hands, accent, and apply the changes. So there you go. That is quickly how you can customize your watch face on your Garmin Vivo Active 3.